with respect to ads, creatives, maybe videos, reels, AI voice cloning, AI, let's suppose video avatars, AI content, AI landing pages, websites, funnels, AI marketing content, multiple custom GPTs जो हमने बना रखे हैं, that we will be sharing across with you. So ads analyzer, funnel analyzer, a lot of things. Lekin, how do they all fit together with respect to setting up a profitable online business that and from end to end? That is what we covered in the 16 hours workshop, right? So it is important that you have gone through that as well. And if not, we have the replay already shared with you, right? So that is something which is the key. जैसे मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ, ओके? सो वन एग्जांपल इज, फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स से recently Facebook came up with the Andromeda update, right? And one of the key factors of the Andromeda update was that in a single campaign you test out a lot of new creatives. So for example, in the workshop today, you will be learning how to come up with a lot of new creatives, right? That is one part of the equation. Like, how do you strategically use it to run it on Facebook ads and to make it profitable? All of that, the full end-to-end journey we had covered in the AI marketing workshop, right? So just a quick check that this is not a replacement of that workshop. However, today, like what is going to happen today, which is going to be different in the AI marketing workshop, all the AI based implementation that we showed you, there was no Q&A. We felt that okay, we could go a little bit more detailed, so that is going to happen today. So a lot of AI implementation is going to happen in a more detailed way, along with more answers for the Q&A, because that day we had to cover the whole marketing part. Today we are going to be covering just the AI implementation part. So feel free to ask your questions. Our team members are going to be there. They are going to be asking and answering a lot of questions. So that is how the difference is going to be. Is that clear, people? Let me know. When will the workshop for online business be held again? There is no point in doing it again, 16 hours workshop. We already have the replay. So the replay link has been shared with you. If you have not got it until now, so we'll share it with you right now once again. That's not a problem. But I just want to set up the agenda, right? Okay. So having said that, the next thing is, I'm going to share the link over here, right over here. Okay. Don't worry. And we will be adding that inside the FlexiFunnels members area as well. Okay. So that is something which is important. Let's talk about the agenda of today's session. The agenda of today's session is something that I just spoke a few minutes back. Like how in this AI world, you can fast track a lot of things. For example, creatives kaise create karne hai, ad graphics, mockups, box shots, like a lot of things that we are doing. Like you will be seeing practically every single thing that we are doing in our business with the help of AI. A lot of, for example, the speed of creating the creatives has become faster. The high quality graphics जो कि we use on our landing pages, on our websites, on our bonus pages, जिसकी वजह से the whole perception game it changes. So all of that has become super fast, super more efficient, right? With so many things now coming into the picture. So OpenAI is there, Google Nano Banana is there, right? There are multiple AI in place, like Claude is there. In fact, last time when we did the workshop, a lot of video making and a lot of content cloning thing was done. So for example, how you can clone yourself to record the content without being in front of the camera, right? How you can create high quality landing pages. Like what is our way of using the FlexiFunnels ka AI site builder hai, how exactly do we use it and to make better quality pages. So all of that we'll be covering in more detail with the questions, right? And honestly, there are going to be a lot of use cases. जो बहुत सारे mini use cases होते हैं that you will be discovering. For example, जैसे just to give you a quick context, when you create reels or content with the help of AI, जिसमें कि आपने अपना voice clone कर दिया है AI से, and you have cloned your voice, you have cloned yourself, your video. Now, in such a video, for example, let's say if you are speaking in a mixture of Hindi and English, for example, so if you type a English word in, let's say English में, in the English keywords, so जो AI का voice cloning है, it is not able to pick it up very quickly, very easily. But अगर आप उसको proper हिंदी में type करते हैं, so then it picks it up very quickly. So one way to do that is doing it manually. Another way to do that is we have created a prompt for it that is going to do it for you. So we will be sharing that prompt with you. Right. So similarly, a lot of smaller use cases that is going to be coming into the picture on a day-to-day basis. So all of that we have created already. We'll be sharing all the resources with you. So overall, you will go back with a lot of time saving that you will be able to do going forward. So people, the agenda is Yogesh is going to be here. He is going to be covering all the graphics related, like there's a lot within the graphics, right? And then from here, we will be moving on to the videos, wherein our team member Mr. Girivar is going to be over here, and Yogesh will be coordinating with him for the session. And then we are going to be having our lead media buyer, Mr. Shivam, who will be joining us over here, and he will be covering all the funnel and the ads-based use cases of FlexiFunnels and a lot of utilities that we do to make our advertising and marketing more profitable. So it's going to be a very long kind of eventful kind of day over here. Not long, maybe 3 to 4 hours maximum, but yes, a pretty eventful day. And just within today itself, you will be going back with at least 100 plus use cases of AI. Right, Yogesh, you can start. You can share your screen, show the magic that you are going to be showing.
So in this session, I will be showing you how you can create postage design, mockup design, studio level graphics using models, and some of the creatives that you can come up with. Okay, so that's the agenda of my particular session, and also I've shown the same thing. मेरी जो पुराना सेशन जो जब हुआ था 13th दिसंबर को मैंने यही सेम दिखाया था. Okay, so the tool that we are using for any kind of a creatives is that Google Nano Banana Pro for image creation and also ChatGPT. I believe सबके पास ChatGPT access है and also Google Nano Banana है तो नहीं है तो you can do one thing. If you have Airtel or Geo SIM, you can able to get it for free for entire year. Okay, just if you go to your Airtel or Geo SIM, you can able to access that. Okay, otherwise, you can go with the Chat GPT also, the free version. Okay, I will be giving you the custom GPTs. Okay, so I believe everyone you can see the custom GPTs also here below. Can you see that? Can you let me know in the chat? Okay, you can access that. You can just open it. Whichever chat GPT you're using, free or paid, both are able to accessible. You can just open. And here there's a hint that if you're using for free, it how you can create a poster design, mockup design, studio level graphics using models. Okay, and some of the creatives that you can come up with. Okay, so that's the agenda of my particular session, and also I've shown the same thing. मेरी जो पुराना सेशन तो जब हुआ था 13th दिसंबर को मैंने यही सेम दिखाया था. Okay, so the tool that we are using for any kind of a creatives is that Google Nano Banana Pro for image creation and also ChatGPT. I believe सबके पास ChatGPT access है and also Google Nano Banana है तो नहीं है तो you can do one thing. If you have Airtel or Geo SIM, you can able to get it for free for entire year. Okay, just if you go to your Airtel Geo SIM, you can able to access that. Okay, otherwise, you can go with the Chat GPT also, the free version. Okay, I will be giving you the custom GPTs. Okay, so I believe everyone you can see the custom GPTs also here below. Can you see that? Can you let me know in the chat? Okay, you can access that. You can just open it. Whichever Chat GPT you're using, free or paid, both are able to accessible. You can just open it. And here there's a hint that if you're using for free, it will take some time for to create images. At least 1 or 2 minutes. If you're using a paid version like Go, which costs around 390 rupees, it will give you the images very fast. Okay. So as for the new update of ChatGPT, both are like beast when it comes to graphics, photos, and any kind of a graphic, any kind of a image generation. Okay. So not required to go over any kind of a mid journey or any kind of a thing. Okay. Fine. Okay. First thing, how many of you are excited for creating posters for your ad graphics? Let me know in the chat. Okay, great. Okay, so आप ये जो लिंक दिख रहे हैं इसमें से आप जस्ट यू कैन गो टू कस्टम जेपीडी ऑफ दिस एंड यू कैन जस्ट ओपन इट. सो आई ऑलरेडी केप्ट ओपन. आई बिलीव नॉट श्योर. मैं वैसे में ओपन कर लेता हूँ. ओके, जस्ट इफ यू ओपन इट you will land directly to this custom GPT. I believe I already shared the doc link. I know it's in your chat itself. I know I'm not sure everyone is able to visit, so see the screen. Might be in your Zoom, there might be issue. You can just check the tab. You can able to see that. Okay, might be you're seeing me, but if you see any, just observe. You will be able to see tabs over there where you can just explore that. Okay. First thing, I will just close chat for a moment now. Okay. I believe this is the one. Okay. So I believe this is visible. Graphic design part by Team Flexifinners. Can you see this? Yeah. Okay, so in this, just observe the prompt and rest you can ask me any query later. Okay, prompting is very simple. I'm not gonna make you like you want to write excellent prompt here. Okay, just you can keep it simple. Don't worry, Ashok. I know it will but not required to publish. It will update over there. I'm aware of it, and you also get it all the things updated. Okay, okay. So here, let's say I want to create some posters for a yoga teacher or any kind of a physical or and just to let's say any physical product. Okay, I will take a product like coffee or shampoo or ghee, anything. Just you can just I will take coffee brand. Okay, so just I will say that hi, not coffee. Let's go with the cosmetic brand, soap brand. We have many customers who are selling cosmetic soaps. Okay, just I will tell that I am Yogesh. I have a cosmetic soap brand called Yog. Okay, and the brand name is Yog. Okay, so I want to run sales ads on Meta and Google. Help me with creating conceptualized. Conceptualized मतलब जो आपने ऐड देखते हो ना कि वो पूरा स्टोरी टेलिंग अदरवाइज पूरा अट्रैक्टिव वाले होता है, तो वो है। अदरवाइज आपने इसमें आपने रिप्लेस भी कर सकते हो, जो भी आपको ऐड दिखता है उस तरीके से आपने बात कर सकते हो। ओके, जस्ट अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट टेल हेल्प मी विद creating amazing attention grabbing creative ideas with graphics. So what it will does, it will go and it will research by own and it will come up with the ad copy and also creative idea. As you just go with simple like this, and it will think of its own. Okay, so now you can see that it's already coming up with that one. Okay, so here it came up with some many ads here. Okay, so I will pick this concept. I will pick this concept. Okay, go with this concept. Okay, so what it does, it will just go for it and it will think of a scenes and everything, and what kind of typography to be used, what kind of font to be used and everything, color palette, layout and everything. I will just say that generate graphic. So in a similar way, you can able to do this. Okay, so just I will let it create now. I've just shared you the prompt. You can just go with that. Just I've just shown you. Okay, just you can see. And okay, what's your skin soaking in? Replace harsh chemicals with purity yolk, where self-care meets nature. Is it clear? Is it looking good? Just share you the doc. It's inside that you can able to get that. Okay. Otherwise, this is the one type of a graphic that you can able to create. Is it clear now? So just आपको मैं फिर से मैं कंक्लूड कर देता हूँ. जिस मैंने इधर आया था, जिस मैंने बोला कि यार मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या करता हूँ, और मेरी ब्रांड क्या है, और मेरी क्लास क्या है आपके लिए. तो मैंने ये बताया था, इन्होंने पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट वगैरह दिए थे. ओके, तो ये इन्होंने दिए थे. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल डू नेक्स्ट. ओके, सो यार ठीक है, ये तो एक लेवल की ग्राफिक हो गया. एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड यू कैन आस्क फॉर ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ ग्राफिक, लाइक गिव मी मोर आइडियाज. Give me more ideas where ad should need to come up with models, with realistic models, using real models. You can say real models or actors. Just you can think of it like, yeah, you can download it. Just you can just go here. Here you'll be able to download it. Go download it. Okay, so now you can see screen that builds again with the feeling. You can see this thing: cinematic shoot, soft focus, close-ups, light rainfall, and slow motion over textures. Okay, so now you can see this is concept 2 is showing the actors. Okay, I will tell go with this and use Indian models. No, I'm not sharing it. Just I kept my screen already shared. Might be this giving me an video campaign. I will just rectify that. Go with add graphic using model. Okay, just giving my example. Okay, take inspiration of such ads and create a graphic. So it will create one. No, I'm not using any excellent prompt. I'm just you typing like the way you tell to any kind of a normal person. I do this and do in this kind of a way. आप इस तरीके से कर दो मुझे, इस तरीके से कर दो. No, उसी तरीके से आपने बात करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. जैसे आप देख सकते हो. तो मैं कुछ एक्सलेंट प्रॉम्प्ट नहीं कराया मैंने. ओके, आपको जस्ट आपने सिंपल प्रॉम्प्ट बॉट दिया है. ओके, जस्ट आई एम कॉपिंग द बॉट अगेन. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग यू. आई बिलीव आप में से कोई नया है क्या इसमें? जस्ट आई already shared you the doc link. Is it looking good now? Okay, where just this is one came now. Okay, otherwise here bit of things are missed. You can tell it and you can able to get the proper graphic out of it. Okay, this is one way of using it. Okay, now looking clear now. Okay, so if I explain how I able to do this, simple. आपको इस तरीके से prompt लिखना है. I will make the notes here. Okay, मैंने notes में जाऊंगा. ये मैंने अभी use करा था. Okay, note prompt. Okay, so here you have to explain about your brand. Okay, mention your brand. Mention about your task. Okay, and then ask for creative ideas. Pick one concept and ask for image generation. This is the steps to generate ad creative. Steps to generate ad graphics using this board. Is it clear now? So आपको मैंने prompt simple prompt नहीं दिया है. आपको और भी prompt लिख सकते हो, जो भी लिख सकते हो. Just simple way. Okay, आपने उसमें ये भी बोल सकते हो कि आपने इसमें voice enable भी कर सकते हो. Okay, simple. You can enable the voice here. Dictate. You can able to dictate that in your own voice कि मैं ये करता हूँ, इसके लिए मुझे ग्राफिक बना देना, कि वो बन के आ जाएगा. Sarthak, video will be shown. Okay, we'll come to that. We are just starting now with image. Just keep patience. We will show one by one. Okay, so this first step is clear now. Everyone, are we on the same line? पूछ रहे थे digital product. Can you tell me the digital product name of it? So Ayurvedic product ले लेते हैं. Product की नाम क्या है? Okay, now I have a brand. I have a Ayurvedic brand. Okay, and called Yo. Okay, so I need a proper mock-ups and branding of it. Think of creative ideas. Okay, otherwise आपको क्या करना है? आपको जाना है. Okay, so search करना है branding here in a Pinterest. Branding of Ayurvedic skincare brand तो मैंने अभी लिया है. Let's see. Like you can see this thing. There are so many such brands.